Empowerment. This is what we yearn for ourselves. Empowerment. This is what we seek for our family, our society. Empowerment. This is what is required for removing inequalities and uplifting the marginalized sections. However, bringing empowerment to the poorest, rural, and tribal groups living in remote villages is not an easy task.
आम्हाला कामा नाही, धंदा नाही, काही नाही, धान्य नाही, दुने नाही, पोटा पाण्याला काय नाही, आम्हाला राशन पाणी काय नाही.
It requires statistical and root cause analysis of the problem and application of development solutions, technological innovation at the grassroots level to ensure sustainable transformation.
आम्हीच सगळा आदिवासी बांधव जे आहोत, CI म्हणजेच आम्ही आदिवासी बांधव आहोत. रवी पवार संपूर्ण रायगड जो आदिवासी बांधव हा जो गरीब शोषित बांधव हा यासाठी CI ने माध्यमातून बराचसा सशक्तीकरणाचा प्रकल्प राबवत. मग त्यामा आहात ॲग्रिकल्चर शेतीने संबंधित आपला भाजीपाला निर्मिती वंधन नंतर मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग म्हणजे शेणापासून विविध वस्तू निर्मितीना असा प्रकल्प जे आपल्या आदिवासी बांधवांना रोजगारासाठी जे प्रकल्प त्यात त्यामा CI ने खूप चांगल्या प्रकारे काम करा. तिसंच आमने भागात महिला आणि पुरुष यांना बचत गटाच्या माध्यमातून लोकांना एकत्र आणा आणि सामाजिक विकासासाठी गरिबी रेखाने वर म्हणजे गरीब लोक आहेत त्याला चांगला सशक्त करून ते आता गरीब रेखाने वर आता आलेला आहात बऱ्यापैकी. मना यो अनुभव का बऱ्याचशा संस्था येत गावामध्ये येत फोटो काढत शूटिंग काढत आणि निघी जात पण विकास काय जो राहतो काय पुरा हे नाही. पण CI ने आज आतापर्यंत निरंतर साधना करीन आम्हाला सशक्त करा मजबूत करा आणि समग्र जो विकास शाश्वत विकास तो CI ने सतत करीन पुरा कर आणि पुराही करील. आणि मला यो पूर्ण विश्वास की CI आताही साधना करीन आम्हाला सशक्त कर मुरही करील. तिसांज आता आम्ही जो संपूर्ण आदिवासी कातकरी बांधवा आता आम्ही स्वतःला असं समजू की CI संस्था ही नाही तर आम्ही CIच आम्ही कातोडे आदिवासी आहोत आणि आम्ही आता सशक्त आहोत.
मैं मध्य प्रदेश के आगरमालवा जिले के लिंगोड़ा गांव से हूँ. मध्य प्रदेश के आगरमालवा जिले में असंख्य गांवों में पूरे तहसील के असंख्य गांवों में CI विगत कई सालों से समाज की सेवा कर रहा है. जैसे गरीब विकलांग बुजुर्ग गर्भवती माताओं को कोरोना के समय में भी CI ने एक महीने का राशन उपलब्ध करवाया था. और अभी वर्तमान में भी CI द्वारा बढ़ते ठंड के प्रकोप के देखते हुए ऊनी वस्त्र विकलांग बुजुर्ग बच्चों को ऊनी वस्त्र भेंट किए हैं. CI लास्ट माइल डिलीवरी के तहत आयुष्मान कार्ड विधवा पेंशन वृद्धा पेंशन और शासन प्रशासन की अन्य जन कल्याणकारी योजनाओं का सीधा समाज तक पहुंचाना CI के कारण एक नई आशा की किरण हमें जगी हैं. और CI समरसता समतामूलक समाज का निर्माण एक एकात्मता का निर्माण भी कर रही है. CI साधना के अंतर्गत युवाओं को रोजगार अन्य प्रकल्प आगर जिले में स्थापित हो रहे हैं और नए नए क्षेत्रों में भी CI लगातार समाज सेवा के लिए कार्य कर रही है.
CEI is a not-for-profit, new-age international development agency creating resilient, sustainable solutions to further the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and holistically empowering the most socio-economically backward communities across India. Through several projects around nutrition, health, poverty alleviation, sustainable livelihoods, medical aid, entrepreneurship development, women empowerment, child care, education, skill development, water and sanitation, and youth empowerment. As a non-profit organization, CEI has won multiple accolades, awards, and recognitions nationally and globally for its holistic empowerment initiatives. Come, let us have an overview of how CEI is building new hope and strength for the most marginalized and destitute sections. COVID relief and economic rehabilitation. CEI has been at the forefront of providing massive relief and rehabilitation assistance to the affected communities during the COVID pandemic. food aid. CEI has been implementing food aid initiative in which CEI is distributing essential food provisions that include rice, pulses, vegetables, wheat, cooking oil, salt, and various other nutritional items. In just the first 12 months of the COVID-19 pandemic, CEI distributed thousands of food packets among the most marginalized communities living in far-flung areas of India.
कोण नाही धंदावर कोण नाही तर म्हातारा पण नाही मा एकली जा गामा मंजरी संजरी करूला तर गामा कोण मंजरीला नाही दे लागे गुरुजींनी आम्हाला मदत करी साज आशीर्वाद आमने पाठीशी राहून दे.
Since the past many years, CEI's food distribution program has been providing nutrition and sustainability to millions of families across India, and it will continue to do so. Medical Aid Initiative. CEI's Medical Aid Initiative is consistently bringing essential medical services for those who are in dire need of it, facilitating access to doctors, nurses, medicines, long-term medical treatments in the most remote rural areas. This initiative particularly focuses on the health of women and the girl child, with special emphasis on nutrition and reproductive health. CEI is also implementing initiatives such as Save a Child, Feed a Child, and Sashakt Beti initiatives. Through these initiatives, CEI is ensuring nutrition, health, education, and a safe childhood for tribal and rural children, especially those who are orphan and those who are destitute.
Ensuring last mile delivery of government welfare programs. CEI ensures the last mile delivery of all the government welfare programs, particularly those that are related with food and health. CEI has taken upon itself the responsibility of distribution of basic documents like ration cards, Aadhaar cards, caste certificates, and Ayushman Bharat cards. CEI ensures that poor patients receive all forms of medical treatment through these Ayushman cards.
मेरा नाम विनोद नाथ है. मैं ग्राम झलारा श्री रामनगर झलारा का रहने वाला हूँ और मेरी ये सिस्टर है जिसको किडनी की प्रॉब्लम है और जैसे कि ससुराल वालों ने सारा छोड़ दिया उनको, तो सीआई के माध्यम से हमारा आयुष्मान कार्ड बनाया है, उसके द्वारा हमारा फ्री इलाज हो पाएगा. जैसे कि मेरे मम्मी पापा दोनों पैर से हैंडीकैप.
Sashakt Beti Abhiyan. We all love our daughters, don't we? But is it enough? Isn't every girl like our little daughter? CEI is providing our daughters with a normal childhood, especially to those who live in the most remote areas are in urgent need of our support and care. Since the past several years, CEI has been fighting the menace of malnutrition, specifically undernourishment among children. Take the inspirational case study of Sharmila ji. She is an orphan, extremely impoverished tribal girl living in a remote village in Khalapur Tehsil of Maharashtra. This little 7-year-old lost both her parents at the tender age of 3. She had to resort to child labor in order to survive and to take care of her grandmother all by herself. CEI rescued her from the situation and is since ensuring her nutritional requirements are fulfilled and is providing her with a safe, healthy, and a happy childhood. Let us also take a look at Parvati ji. Parvati ji suffers from a physical and mental disability since birth. She belongs to an extremely poor family and lives in a remote village in Madhya Pradesh. CEI is taking care of thousands of such destitute and disabled girls who are lacking in support. CEI is specially focusing on the health and nutritional requirements of the girl child, pregnant women, lactating mothers, widows belonging to the most vulnerable groups and marginalized communities in rural and tribal areas.
CEI is also looking after the educational requirements of tribal children and children belonging to the rural areas in India. CEI mentors, trains, and educates youth from local tribal and rural communities to become leaders and project officers. These CEI project officers take regular classes for the tribal children, spreading the light of knowledge in the most interior areas of India. CEI further enables the education of children by providing them academic resources free of cost. Train the Trainer. Another flagship program of CEI's is the Train the Trainer program. CEI has trained dedicated project officers belonging to the native community who ensure the sustainability and continuity of CEI's empowerment initiatives. There are many such glowing examples that CEI has created. For example, CEI Tribal Project Officer Ravi Pawarji and so many other project officers just like him, Bhavar Singh ji and so many other rural youth icons. So many senior CEI leaders representing the most empowered sections of the global community who are selflessly working towards empowering the most backward and disenfranchised sections of our society.
Eradicating malnutrition. Malnutrition, particularly in children and young women, largely remains one of the biggest and primary challenges we face in rural and tribal areas even today. The solutions are complex. We are working in multiple dimensions to ensure that no one remains hungry and everyone gets nutritious food for life. CEI self-help groups prepare and distribute nutritious food among malnourished people. This food is extremely rich in proteins, vitamins, iron, and other essential nutrients. Through this, CEI is committed to building a hunger-free society. Livelihood and entrepreneurship initiatives. CEI has formed and empowered several self-help groups of tribal and rural women and has trained them in multiple sustainable livelihood and entrepreneurial initiatives. For example, CEI's organic farming and horticultural initiative has especially proven to be very successful as a means of income generation for the tribals. We bring to you the transformational story of Bayoji and Mandaji. Bayoji and Mandaji belong to a particularly vulnerable tribal group, the Katkari community. But today, they are proud, successful. These inspirational entrepreneurs are now successfully growing fruits and vegetable crops which are completely organic. Several other self-help groups are also growing Ayurvedic and medicinal plants as part of CEI's Ayurvedic Tribal Entrepreneurship Initiative. It has given rise to such innovative Ayurvedic and medicinal products.
Meet Kaluramji, a glowing example of the success of CEI's livelihood initiatives. Kaluramji hails from a remote tribal village in the Sudhagar Tehsil of Maharashtra. He is now successfully doing organic farming, cultivating Ayurvedic and medicinal plants. There are many such tribal entrepreneurs that CEI has created in remote rural areas.
CEI is also implementing the Gaushala initiative that is helping the tribals and other marginalized sections, aiding them in their nutrition and livelihood.
Eco-friendly products. In today's world besieged with the problems of climate change, sustainable living, the tribals of Raigad district have risen as a ray of hope. CEI has trained the local tribal youth in the art of making eco-friendly products, thus triggering a manufacturing revolution in the interior tribal areas of Raigad. Today, these products are a rage among tourists, providing sustainable livelihood to the entire tribal community. Meet senior CEI leaders Amit Rastogi ji, Riya Rastogi ji, and Milind Chauche ji. Inspired by this entrepreneurial success stories of the local tribals, these senior CEI leaders have brought a unique initiative known as CEI Narmadeshwari Initiative, bringing business opportunities around textile and artifacts right at the doorstep of these native tribal communities. CEI is continuously empowering particularly vulnerable tribal groups and their indigenous culture by developing multiple empowerment centers.
Narmadeshwari साड़ी की तो वो एक ऐसी व्यवस्था है जिससे पूरे रायगढ़ में हर एक पुरुष, हर एक महिला, हर एक बच्चा, हर एक का सशक्तिकरण होगा, हर एक को काम मिलेगा, सबका उत्थान होगा, सबको पैसे आएगा, सब लोग पढ़ाई कर सकेंगे। तो नर्मदेश्वरी यही चाहता है कि जो गुरु जी का जो ब्रह्मा ऋषि तत्व है वो ये है कि आगे चलकर रायगढ़ का हर एक बच्चा या तो नौकरी कर रहा हो या तो खुद का कारोबार हो, हर एक महिला एकदम उनकी शक्ति साथ में हो, और ये हम तभी कर सकते हैं जब हम सब साथ में होंगे।
CEI's Relief, Rehabilitation and Reconstruction Initiatives. CEI has been undertaking massive relief initiatives in remote villages of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and various other states across India. These states have been severely affected by floods and cyclones. CEI has been repairing and reconstructing damaged huts, houses, community centers, villages and various forms of makeshift settlements in the affected areas.
Water and sanitation. We all understand that only through clean drinking water can optimum health be achieved. Water and sanitation has been at the forefront of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, as well as at the forefront of our quest to meet the UNDP goals. CEI has been endeavoring to provide clean drinking water solutions in remote areas. However, CEI is doing and achieving much more than that. Through our regular medical camps, we found out that most of the tribals in Raigad district suffered from problems of kidney stone for ages due to the high fluoride content in the local drinking water. After scientifically analyzing this problem, CEI started installing fluoride removal water filters by aligning itself with the best of the industries in this domain. To date, we have installed numerous such water filters in villages, thereby permanently eradicating this problem from that region. Yes, this is possible. CEI Internship. Another flagship initiative of CEI is the CEI Internship Program. CEI Internship Program is a unique program where senior CEI leaders mentor young CEI interns to become global leaders and entrepreneurs of tomorrow. The CEI Internship Program provides a unique opportunity for young college-going undergraduate and graduate students to receive niche training and upskilling directly from global stalwarts, CEOs and top corporate leaders who are leading the ongoing transition of today's world economy into the post-COVID, AI-driven, automated era.
Accolades and appreciation.
CEI has received widespread appreciation and multiple awards from government agencies for its transformative initiatives and development work.
Beyond these accolades and appreciation, let us all understand what drives CEI. Selfless service to empower humanity is the motto of Confederation of Empowerment Initiatives. CEI works with a firm resolve that only when the empowered section of the society voluntarily shares their empowerment in a scientific manner with the disenfranchised sections of the society, that a strong and great nation can be built. All challenges faced by the backward and marginalized communities of any country can be solved easily when the best minds of the country come together, when the empowered sections of the society come together to share their intellect, to share their innovative ideas, to share their financial resources with the socially and economically backward sections of the society. All solutions are then realized, all problems are solved, and a great nation is built. Come, join this mass movement of holistic empowerment, Confederation of Empowerment Initiatives, and be the solution that you want to see in the society.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया।